Hey friends, if you encounter this issue with the MSI Dragon Center is not working properly on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Then search for MSI and then go to MSI Center and install the application. Now, why are we installing it from the Microsoft Store? Because this is one application which can be installed from countless third-party websites, and it pushes a lot of malware and bloatware to your system, and other than that it may be a corrupted version. So to be on the safer side, we will download it from the Microsoft Store, and since it has 7,000 ratings, I am pretty sure that it is a very genuine version of the MSI Center. So let it be downloaded, and then I will guide you through other troubleshooting steps. Okay, so search for MSI in the Windows search bar and click on app settings in the right pane, and then scroll down, click on terminate to terminate the process, click on repair to repair this app if that helps, and then you can reset it. And again, if it doesn't work after that, you can uninstall and reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.